Welcome to David Loud. My name is Leo. I'm going to be showing you through some of the different things that we have to offer. We have wheels, tires, tint, alignments, all sorts of different things to show you. Stick around. Welcome back. So you want big wheels? I got you covered. We have lift kits to give you the extra clearance for those big wheels and big tires. If you want something that's gonna just pop out and kind of turn heads, we got those wheel lights that are gonna make it stand out. If you need remote start, you need an alarm system, you got goodies in there you don't want people taking, we got you covered. We have all sorts of brands, Viper, Mesa, and many others. We have a little something that'll work for you, GPS, whatever you're looking for. So now you've seen what we have to offer here at David Loud. As far as discounts, we have 10% off for all military. As far as payment options, we have SEMA, we have SNAP, and we have preferred leasing. They can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Come check us out. We're gonna take care of you. We got you covered from A to Z.